Hello guys, today I'm gonna talk about drop shipping, that how you can get start a perfect and successful drop shipping business. Starting a drop shipping business is one of the easiest ways to make a money online in 2021. The growth of Amazon, eBay, it's a Shopify and other online marketplaces and platforms means that anyone can start an online store for as little as $20. But with the barrier of entry being as so low, dropshipping has exploded in popularity over the past decade, meaning that many markets are highly competitive. If you are thinking of starting dropshipping business either as a side hustle or a means to leaving your full-time job, you can save yourself time and set yourself up for success for by following a simple steps outlined below. In this complete guide to dropshipping for beginners, we show you that how to start dropshipping business in 5 easy steps. Firstly we are gonna talk about choosing a pro- profitable dropshipping niche in 2021, finding reliable dropship supplier, getting sales tax ID, choosing a right selling platform for your business, implementing customer occupation strategy. But first but not least, what is the drop shipping business? A drop shipping business is where you are able to sell merchandise to your customer without holding any inventory. A customer purchases an item from your store at retail price. You forward order to your supplier, which you pay the wholesale price. Once your supplier receive the order, they ship the item directly to the customer under your business name while you earn the profit margin. All you have to do is set up the retail website, find customer and handle customer support. There are thousands of people around the world make 5, 6 and 7 figure income at the drop shipping, and there is no reason why you can't do same. What is drop shipping? Understanding how the drop shipping business model works is important. It's quite different to traditional retail and e-commerce business. Here is the official definition. Drop shipping is supply chain management method in which retailer does not keep goods in stock but instead transfer the customer order and supplement details to either the manufacturer, another retailer or a wholesaler who can ship the goods directly to the customer. How drop shipping works? The drop ship model is showing below. The order is forwarded to your supplier, you pay wholesale, the customer purchases an item from your store and the supplier ships directly to the customer under your name. In more simple item terms, drop shipping works like this. A customer purchases an item from your store retail price, the order forwarded to the supplier, you pay wholesale price, the supplier ships the item directly to the customer under your business name. This means that the drop shipper don't have buy the store bulk stock, which saves you having to invest lot of money upfront. It also eliminates the risk buying in bulk and not being able to sell all of the products, leaving you out of pocket. That this is why dropshipping so popular. It's require minimal investment but reaps similar benefit to the traditional retail model. Dropshipping statistics do the numbers add up. The hype around the dropshipping means some people are skeptical of the valuable, visible business model and caution about diving in. This is limited information about dropshipping specifically, but these statistics should help you to provide with the peace of mind and hopefully the sense of excitement. 33% of online retailers have adopted dropshipping as their primary business model. Dropshipping announced 34% of products sold on Amazon in 2021 in 2011, and the number has only grown since that's 14.2 billion of drop shipping products from just one market. The drop shipping market is a forecast grow USD 557 billion by 2021. Google Trends data also shown a massive increase of investment in drop shipping over the past years. How to start drop shipping business in 2021? Choose a drop shipping niche. To start drop shipping business, you will need to figure out your niche. The niche is a segment of market. For example, Bluetooth speaker are a popular niche in the home audio market. You could even say that outdoor waterproof Bluetooth speaker are the sub niche of the Bluetooth speaker niche. You can get an idea. The more specific your niche is better. Thank you for